I built this today.
What is it?
It's a hydraulic crane.
How does it work?
It works on water pressure. We have 3 syringes as for controlling it, to lift it, to make it lift, to make it grab, and to make it turn. And these 3 syringes are attached to 3 other syringes via pipes. And now I'm going to give a demonstration of how it works. To make this crane lift this box. Now it's in the air, we make the crane turn and we place it down. There we go, we have placed it down.
Wow, this is really cool.
Thank you for watching. This is a prototype of a hydraulic crane, and this prototype consists of 3 syringes to control it and 3 on the crane itself. 1, 2 and 3 for the functions of turning, grabbing and lifting. And this is how a real crane would work if it was scaled up, and it wouldn't be with syringes, but this is the principle of how a crane works.